So these are the Soundpeats Air4 Lite, and I was looking for some headphones that I could just wear for longer periods of time, because I find that the headphones that go in the ear like this, although they're really strongly in there and they don't fall out when you're running and going to the gym and doing exercise, they're quite irritating to have inside your ear. So putting the rubber stuff inside your ear, it's just can be quite annoying. So I was looking for a pair that would just sit in my ear nicely and I could wear for long periods of time, and these are them. So these are the ones I've stuck with, the Soundpeats Air4 Lite, and you know, it comes in this really cool little case that you just flip open and closed, and this case actually extends the playtime to 30 hours. So the headphones go for about 7 hours just on their own, but then with this, it charges them and they go for 30 hours now, so that's pretty useful. This thing charges with USB-C, and then you can press that button on the front there and you get a light telling you what sort of charge the case has. So it's got Bluetooth 5.3. Without getting too technical, you know, every time they upgrade the number, it's improved connection, improved range, and these certainly do stay connected really, really well. So I inadvertently left my phone upstairs and was still wearing the headphones, went all the way down the stairs into the bathroom, so there's like 3 walls in between me and the headphones, and then it dawned on me, I was like, hang on, the music's still playing, it hasn't skipped a beat, and I'm so far away from my phone. Other pairs of headphones that I've used that were wireless Bluetooth have not had that sort of strong connection. It didn't drop out at all, so that really, really impressed me. As I said, I was looking for something a bit more comfortable, but didn't want to have to pay the premium Apple charge to get the AirPods, and these seem like a good compromise. They've got that sort of standard shape that you get from like Apple AirPods, and they just sit nicely in the ear. And yeah, that part goes to the front of your ear, but it doesn't dig into your ear. They just sit there comfortably, and they're very nice and smooth, and they're just comfortable in the ear. And when you put them in, you're greeted with like a really nice tone that says when they're connected and stuff. It's a nice experience. One of the most interesting things about it is that it actually works with LDAC, which is a really high quality audio interface. So the sound quality is much better than I expected. So you've got the Soundpeats app, and it's got some really cool little interesting features. Like it shows the battery percentage of each headphone. You can also create an EQ that's personalized to your ears, so it works out which sounds you can hear and which you can't because of age or whatever, but it actually plays the sounds and you click and let them know whether you can hear them or not, and then it creates a personalized profile which makes the sound just best for you. You can disable the touch stuff. If you accidentally touch and you don't like it, you can disable that with the app, and you can also connect to 2 devices at once. So these headphones, you could connect one to your computer and one to your phone, so you're listening to music as you're working away, and then if you get a phone call, you can automatically answer that phone and it'll go to the headphones as well, which is a really nice extra feature to have.